Well, hello, my friends, and thank you so much for tuning in with me, Latisha McKinney, and welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. If this is your first time here, you love this content, click that subscribe button and turn on your bell ringer, and you should not be missing anything. So we have a lovely community member, and she just wanted me to do a very simple, simplistic centerpiece. So I want to show you all how to get to an ambience feel at a very inexpensive cost. So let's start in this video. Now, as you can see, we have a lot of ivory that's going to be in this decor. Now, anytime you are starting a business, it is very key that you start in the cream family. Now, a lot of our pictures and the video is going to be up close because I want you to get a better feel of what I am doing. Now, I chose to match up gold with this color scheme because I think it's so beautiful together. You see that I used the peony flowers and also some hydrangeas as we come to the very top. Now, for everyone that's in our one-on-one program, it only took me 10 to 15 minutes to do this project. Now, this is a tip. If you know this is the industry that you absolutely want to be in, it is very important that you buy your stuff in bulks. Let's not try to go to the Dollar Tree hoping that they have the item for your client. In my one-on-one students, you already know about this process. Now, I did add in some Dollar Tree succulents and some 7.5 inch and also some 9.5 inch vases as well. I do have the tea light candle holders that are so beautiful. You can't even tell that a lot of this stuff even comes from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, we have that charger for our base down there at the bottom. I do not like to use it for a charger. I love using it for a centerpiece so it can allow my centerpiece to stand out even more. And remember that we are looking for something for a more ambience feel when we get towards the end of this video. Now, we chose to go with the gold flat back brooches that's on our online store. And as I get closer to it, you can see that I did not go over the top when I included in our brooches. A lot of things that you see in this video does not come with the crown centerpiece. So I do want you all to know that. As you can see, this is more of a daylight feel to it if you just want to use it for home decor. So let's move some things out and place some things in. You can see where the candlelight does not match the LED light. So I'm going to do a little twist and I want you guys to tell me what you think about it. So let's do it. This is time for you to tell me which one you love best. Will it be number 1 or would it be number 2? As always, I appreciate you all for designing with me, Latisha McKinney. Blessings to you all, and I'll see you in the next one, Lord willing.